Welcome music lovers. Looking for a portable speaker that can go anywhere with you? Look no further. With advancing technology, speakers are getting smaller and smaller, and now you can carry high-quality sound in your pocket. Have you heard of the world's smallest Bluetooth speakers? These tiny powerhouses deliver impressive sound quality and can fit virtually anywhere, making them perfect for those always on the go or with limited space. In today's video, we'll explore the smallest speakers available today, covering factors such as portability, affordability, and sound quality. Join us as we take a closer look at the best tiny speakers in the world. Let's dive in. 10. Anker Super Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Anker Soundcore Mini Bluetooth is a compact and powerful speaker with a height of 2.7 inches that's designed to be extremely small and compact. It's super portable, has a really clean and crisp sound, and delivers more bass than expected with its 5-watt driver and passive subwoofer. If you are looking for a speaker that can fill a bedroom or bathroom with decent audio quality, this speaker fits the bill perfectly. The Anker Bluetooth delivers a room-filling sound and has a nice bass response, although not as much as we had hoped for due to the small size. The speaker is ideal for traveling due to its portability. There's also a micro SD slot and aux input for multiple audio input options. It also comes with a larger battery with 15 hours of continuous music playtime on a single charge. 9. Sony SRS-X11 Ultra Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Sony SRS-X11 Ultra Portable Bluetooth Speaker is a popular choice for those seeking a tiny yet powerful speaker. Standing at only 2.5 inches tall, it can fit in your hand or pocket and comes in red or white. Despite its size, it delivers 10 watts of audio power, filling a room with sound. Its frequency response range of 150 Hz to 20,000 Hz reproduces a wide range of frequencies, providing clear and detailed audio. The speaker is compatible with most Bluetooth-enabled devices and connects easily. Its long battery life of up to 12 hours is a standout feature, allowing for uninterrupted music and hands-free calls. Overall, the Sony SRS-X11 Ultra Portable Bluetooth Speaker provides high-quality sound in a small package, perfect for on-the-go music lovers. 8. AVWoo Mini Bluetooth Speaker. The AVWoo Mini is one of the smallest Bluetooth speakers in the world that is designed in the shape of an acorn with a height of 2.3 inches. It has a small body shape that offers big sound with an integrated 5-watt driver with clean and crisp sound. It is loud enough to provide well-balanced full-range listening sound for parties and gatherings. Compared with the other mini speakers on this list, the AVWoo Bluetooth offers the most battery life. It delivers 8 hours of playtime on a single charge with its 400 mAh equipped battery. This speaker has a nice rich sound. It has a tiny little wooden cabinet feel which looks pretty aesthetic. Apart from its loud sound performance, this mini speaker comes with a built-in mic and hands-free function, which allows you to take calls on the go. It's also equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology to instantly connect to your smartphone devices. 7. XS Boom Mini Bluetooth Speaker. XS Boom Mini Bluetooth Speaker is a portable device that stands at 2 inches tall and is the size of an egg. Its cylindrical aluminum body is robust and has a silicone base that prevents slipping. The device is straightforward to set up and can be connected to most smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Additionally, it has a built-in microphone for hands-free calling and comes with a carry pouch. The speaker takes approximately 1.5 hours to charge fully and can play music for up to 10 hours on a single charge. However, there are no volume control buttons, and the volume is adjusted using the paired device. 6. Nubbo Mini Bluetooth Speaker. The Nubbo Mini is a super small Bluetooth speaker, standing at only 1.8 inches tall. It's designed to deliver crystal clear stereo sound and enhanced bass performance. The compact size makes it perfect for travel and outdoor activities, and it boasts more battery life than other mini Bluetooth speakers on the market. The sound quality and bass are impressive, and the volume can go high without distorting. The speaker can handle multiple soundtracks at full volume and fill a medium-sized bedroom with ease. The Nubbo Mini has multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth, an auxiliary, and a TF card slot, and it also features a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. The speaker's sleek aluminum alloy material and design build make it a stylish accessory, and the vibration mat at the bottom minimizes vibrations due to lower bass output, which is especially impressive given its size. With a built-in battery, the Nubo Mini can deliver 6 to 10 hours of continuous music playtime on a single charge. 5. Fashionette U Micro Bluetooth Speaker. With good looks and an amazing sound, this is the best among the smallest speakers available out there. The size of the speaker has nothing to do with the sound, which is loud and high quality. Its design is very different and too compact. With its 1.33 ounces weight and 1.7 inches in height, you won't even feel that you are carrying the speaker. There are other functions that make this speaker a good deal. It has a remote shutter button for clicking the selfie. You can even talk hands-free with its built-in mic so that you don't have to disconnect the speakers when someone calls. It is available in black, black marble, flowers, pink, pink marble, and gold. 4. EWA 106 Mini Bluetooth Speaker. EWA 106 is a tiny wireless speaker that's designed to fit even the smallest space. Engineered with advanced audio technology, it ensures loud, clear, and balanced sound with deep bass every time at any place. Thanks to the custom-made 3W neodymium magnet internal driver, you enjoy such amazing sound that's both well-balanced and loud. In addition to balanced sound, the reproduced audio fills up the whole room space. Petite in size with a height of 1.54 inches, it still has an integrated Li-ion battery that offers 8 hours of battery time. For wireless connectivity, it features fast Bluetooth and pairs up with all Bluetooth devices. With an IP67 rating, it's both water and dust resistant. For simple operation, there's only one silicone multifunction button with LED indicator light. 3. DodoCool Bluetooth Speaker. The DodoCool DA84 Bluetooth speaker is a tiny and portable wireless speaker that is perfect for those always on the go. It has a height of only 1.44 inches and can produce an immersive sound that can fill up any room. The speaker can be easily connected to any Bluetooth-enabled device, such as smartphones, tablets, and personal computers. It features a single 3W speaker that can produce reasonable volume, and its sound quality is impressive for its size. The speaker is made of high-quality aluminum alloy and PC material and is available in black or white color options, ensuring durability and longevity. The DodoCool DA84 also comes with a built-in microphone for hands-free talking and a selfie button, making it more convenient to use. Its affordability makes it an attractive option for those on a budget. 2. INSIC Smallest Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The INSIC is probably the smallest Bluetooth speaker you can find in the world right now. This speaker is designed to be extremely small and compact with a diameter of 1.2 inches, which is slightly wider than a quarter coin. Although this speaker is incredibly tiny, it delivers pretty good volume. It has crisp sound, and the volume is louder than the speaker on the iPhone XS Max. While the sound quality isn't amazing, it works great and sounds much louder than it looks. The speaker comes with a couple of unique features, including the ability to take a photo with your phone camera, including selfies with the speaker button. It also features a built-in battery that delivers a good 2 hours of playtime. As with the latest Bluetooth speakers, this tiny speaker uses the latest Bluetooth 5.0 and has a long range of 30 feet. 1. Pebble, world's smallest wireless speaker. The Pebble Bluetooth speaker is an incredibly small and lightweight true wireless speaker that's smaller than a golf ball. Despite its size, the Pebble can deliver impressive sound quality and can be paired with other Pebble speakers for an even more flexible audio experience. Along with the Pebble, we've explored some of the best small Bluetooth speakers available, including the EWA, a 106 Mini Bluetooth speaker, Fashionette U Micro Bluetooth speaker, Anker Soundcore Mini, XS Boom Mini Bluetooth speaker, and Sony SRS-X11 Ultra Portable Bluetooth speaker. These tiny speakers are perfect for those on the go and offer impressive features such as long battery life, powerful audio wattage, and compatibility with most Bluetooth-enabled devices. So, which one of these tiny powerhouses will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching.